Hi, I'm James Heisler. In the next few minutes, I'm going to share with you a secret. This dentist be damned review will be free of conspiracy theories, at least on my end. But many would-be readers of Alice Barnes' popular book, Dentist Be Damned, may take the view that orthodontists do not have their patients' best interests at heart. While I don't think that dentists have personal vendettas against their clientele, the field's prevailing practices may undermine them. Alternative medicine advocates are often critical of common dental practices. But Alice Barnes believes that by adopting teeth-friendly practices and taking stellar care of your pearly whites, your mouth and your overall health will be much better off, and you may just be able to avoid the dentist altogether. Dentist be damned, getting to the root. One cannot dismiss dentist be damned because there are a multitude of people who are literally too panic-stricken to visit a dentist wielding a drilling gun. Moreover, there are throngs of folks who also take the view that dentists actually undermine health. But regardless of your personal views on dentists in general and on the orthodontics industry, there is common consensus that it is important to address mouth and teeth issues. Indeed, the state of your teeth may have profound effects on the state of your health. After all, there are a host of health journals and magazines revealing the latest study underscoring the connection between oral health and heart disease. But research in this field has been going on for decades, and the prevailing wisdom in the medical community is that oral bacteria may very well cause cardiovascular disease. In my estimation, this is not inconceivable. Think of it, millions of painful bacteria and other microscopic organisms adversely affect the teeth and gums. Isn't it possible that chewing and teeth brushing release these microbes into our bloodstream, especially with the erosion of tissue and bones? Moreover, periodontitis-causing bacteria have been found in atherosclerotic plaque. This plaque may be found in arteries of the heart and other parts of the body. Remember, with plaque comes inflammation, which is likely to cause a number of health conditions. And then there are a number of health-conscious individuals who assert that poor oral hygiene can contribute to cancer and similar degenerative diseases. Many of these folks also embrace the anti-mercury, anti-fluoride, and even the anti-dentist movements. To them, the term safe dental practices is an oxymoron. Just look up the reams of material compiled against root canals. Can this procedure lead towards unwanted maladies, such as cancer? I hope not, but it is always better to be safe than sorry. But Dentist Be Damned author, Alice Barnes, does not want you to get into a position where it is after the fact, i.e. when periodontal disease has already started to raise its ugly head. She wants you to know that there are dental tips, tricks, and strategies that will serve a proactive function, so you're not forced to sit in a dentist's chair. Moreover, in Dentist Be Damned, you will actually discover how to defeat a toothache without the assistance of the man or the woman in the white garb. Dentist Be Damned review, it is all about the base causes. Let us go back to the idea of getting rid of tooth pain once and for all. Sure, you can target the symptoms, which is what is done by almost all medical practitioners. But what about getting at the root cause of the problem? A closer look at your poor, sore tooth reveals colonies of bacteria that are thriving on certain foods. An infection that surfaces on the soft pulp of the tooth inside the tooth near sensitive nerves can lead to unrelenting pain. But before you open your mouth and say, to your dentist, realize that you have the means to eradicate this type of pain without imposing any undress on your body. After a thorough review of the book, you will know what steps to take and ingredients to use to live a pain-free existence, at least when it comes to your teeth. For example, you will learn about the role that probiotics can play as part of your quest for perfect oral health. But you just can't go into the local health store and pick up any old bottle of probiotics. The reason: while many people rely on probiotics to reduce or eliminate tooth pain, there are some strands that undermine teeth. So if you don't know your Streptococcus salivarius K12 strain from your S. salivarius M18, you really need this Dentist Be Damned resource. Attacking biofilm, plaque, cavities, and the other monsters in your mouth. Author Alice Barnes is waging war. She knows the threat of microbes residing in the mouth, but she has a whole arsenal at her disposal to defeat the enemy. This does not include any of the over-the-counter products designed for pain relief. Of interest, Ms. Barnes indicates those things don't work by design. They're in cahoots with the dental industry. According to Ms. Barnes, most popular home remedies, such as clove oil, do nothing more than offer a placebo effect. You may find relief from capsaicin, but dentist be damned is not only about treating the pain symptoms, but targeting the base cause, those pesky, uncontrollable microbes. To send bacteria and other disgusting organisms to eternal damnation, dentist be damned highlights one antibacterial ingredient, easy to access, you need to use now. An ingredient added to almost all dental hygiene products that can actually cause cavities. A regimen that can treat cavities, and one that can greatly minimize the chances of cavity formation. The role sugar plays in the role of cavity development, and the information may surprise you. How to prevent gum disease, tartar, plaque buildup, and other teeth problems. Methods to follow to have a winning smile and the whitest teeth possible. Alice Barnes is committed to creating a program where loyal readers are rewarded with beautiful, pain-free teeth, where trips to the dentist are rendered unnecessary. What are the pros of the Dentist Be Damned program? It offers a unique premise where you can safeguard a very precious commodity, your teeth. It is completely holistic and natural, and does not depend on any medication. The information contained in Dentist Be Damned can help all people, in all age groups. It is never too early to develop great oral hygiene. The program may save you thousands of dollars in dental bills, and the stress of going to the orthodontist. This book presents an alternative on going to the dentist, perfect for those who believe that dental practices undermine health. Fastidious oral hygiene will not only benefit your teeth, but quite possibly your overall health. Dentist Be Damned reviews have been overwhelming positive. It has already helped thousands of folks who truly care about their choppers. You can read and review Dentist Be Damned for 60 days, and still return it if you're not completely satisfied. The initial cost is very affordable at $47. The vendor is also offering additional bonuses. You'll receive how to prevent and cure canker sores and how to get rid of bad breath. If you order the book on this page, you'll also receive even more bonuses. Dentist Be Damned review. Any negatives to report? I am not sure that I am comfortable with the idea of avoiding the dentist. I believe Alice Barnes' program should be implemented in conjunction with seeing a dentist. The methods and strategies presented may not work for you. There may be genetic factors involved when considering cavity formation and tooth pain. Author Alice Barnes is not a dentist or a dental hygienist. However, she seems like a very credible researcher, and her own experience and testimonials from others makes the program promising and compelling. Should you add Dentist Be Damned to your health books library? In this Dentist Be Damned review, I know that author Alice Barnes has created a dental treatment program to help those who simply do not wish to go to the dentist. She has devised alternative methods and strategies to target cavities and toothaches in an organic, natural way. She has developed an impressive modus operandi to tackle gum/periodontal disease, creating optimal conditions in the mouth that will help prevent the formation of disease. She also provides sound advice on getting your teeth to look their model best. This knowledge alone is worth more than the cost of the book, as you no longer need to rely on costly whitening procedures. Johnny Carson once said, happiness is your dentist telling you it won't hurt, and then having him catch his hand in the drill. For those who have odontophobia, fear of the dentists, this resource is a must-have. It is also indispensable for those who just don't trust the dental profession. And of course, the book is extremely useful for those who want to be proactive and take care of their teeth so they can last a lifetime. So what are you waiting for? Click to buy now button below and I'll see you on the other side.